don't you know? I hope that creeper doesn't blow. Oh, oh. Make me a furnace, yo. I need to grab some beef and coal.
Hey guys, welcome to Minecraft. I got it. Did I?
I'm gonna watch my new video.
This time you'll hear who's in the call. I don't care, but I'm saying it.
Guys, I may exit the game just to watch my new video.
Guys, should we get radical?
Yeah, you do.
Why? Yeah, it's an online thing. Radical is this awesome thing. They say.
No, it's called Radical.
Radical.
Should we
I
go?
have it.
Have you got it?
Yeah.
Is it good? Is it good?
Yes. You can talk to online.
Yeah, it's basically Skype videos. So like you play Minecraft while Skyping. So you don't need Skype or fraps.
Yeah. So yeah, it's good. It's good.
Whoa!
That's what all the
Oh, I
multiplayer.
actually did get the kill. I just got the kill with him.
Guys, I'll fix my audio
current
tomorrow.
map. Next map is a.
Guys, I need to go. I'll fix my audio for my videos.
Oh my god! Do you know how many people just ran to the parkour?
Heaps.
All I saw
Guys,
was
Yeah, look.
I got up to the ice bit.
I'm TP. Oh, I can't TP to you. Wow, I just felt. It's hard.
It's not that much layers on your face. Like it's sort of skin and bone, really, isn't it? You know. So it's not like
Lag!
it's extremely bits or something.
Hey, Luke, are you in this game?
It's this certain amazing.
Lag!
I'm doing the parkour really good.
I wish I could
Oh,
TP.
darn
you.
it!
Yes, no, I've got this. Sorry, last.
Imagine if
report
someone
that I'm
found
doing
an
up, the VOC one.
enchanted table and enchanted something.
Too long. And
It
then,
says, please do not
nuts.
feed the fish.
But anyway, but Andrew's
I'm
been
gonna feed the
off-
fish as much as I can.
Now
What's
just
gun
someone's
game?
back,
What's
like-
gun
Anyway.
game? I forgot. Not
I know.
Gun game,
And
yes.
but we
Gun
got out
game.
last night. We went out with Gina.
what team am I on?
Okay, if you kill someone, you get a
Oh,
new
yeah.
gun.
What was,
yeah, I know
that
this.
Janet Carla? We had, did we
Hey, I
have
found a guy.
Joshua went to the movies with his
I wanna
friends.
kill someone.
And Sarah went to the movies in the afternoon, and then her friend's dad took her up to this girls' party that they went to. And so I just had Luke
stuck with
I killed her. I got
it.
another gun. I killed a guy. I get another gun, don't I?
So we went down to dinner and everything, and I had to pick Josh up at 10:30 and Sarah up at
Well,
11.
you have to,
So
seriously,
we
you
went
have
out
to
dinner and
kill
everything
him.
else,
You have
and
to
I
get
think
the
we got home
XP
about,
thing.
just after 10. So
Yo!
Luke at home, Luke into bed, and then I headed back out, picked Josh up.
Yes, I
and
got
Josh
another gun.
her up and,
Oh, I lost it. Now I'm up to the old
Then they were back
gun.
here.
I have the
And in the
M4.
morning they all
I got
started
an M4.
I have the M4A1.
I have the M9.
at the older two either, and we had a nice time.
I have the M9.
So, yeah, we know that Andrew noticed his face during the week and stuff.
There's nobody in the camp.
Oh yeah, I got an
Yeah,
M16.
but no, we had a nice night, but, yes, no, I was in bed this morning, and Joshua and Andrew, I think it was like 5:30 in the morning. Because by the time I got back in with all the girls,
I've got
and getting
an M4A1.
Guys, I'm getting so much killed.
Then I've been
No,
yeah, which is a bit
I've got an
sucky,
M4A1.
I have a spaz.
but-
I have the Spaz 12. It's
I have-
epic, it's
I
instant kill.
have the M10. I have the M10 or something. I've got to see what it's called. It's the M1014. I got.
I needed it to come out of my
I
house.
think it would stay programmed, Mum. I do.
Into my house.
Oh darn! As soon. Oh, what? I got the spaz. I got the spaz. Yes, I've got an awesome gun, Luke. I've got the
I got a crap one. It's
I've
a
got-
Oh,
sniper.
I've got the L11AA. L11A.
Oh god.
L118A?
I have an
True.
LL18.
I have an L11.
They suck, Lucas. Trust me. I got the same gun.
Oh, it's a one-hit kill.
Yeah.
No, it isn't. I just tried killing a guy with it.
And,
Or is that like him?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start at the end. You're
I
gonna
killed
It's
him!
after, it's not dark now, doesn't it? It feels like it's like 8 o'clock at night. Yeah, okay. Have a nice evening. We're going to last time anyway.
Magnum.
And I'll
I
catch
need
up
a
soon.
magnum. I want a magnum.
Bye-bye.
If you find me, can you not kill me?
When we find him, we kill him. Not joke.
I am. I'm just gonna kill everyone.
No, Johnny, that's you! You killed me.
I did.
How
Oh,
good
you
of you.
seriously made it?
I didn't even know that was you. I just saw a bunch of people, so I went in.
How much people have you killed?
I'm up to the LL88 or whatever you like to call it.
I have 8.
I'm up to
How
the
many
L.
kills do you? How many kills do you have, guys?
I don't know.
I have 11.
I have
I've
one.
8.
I have as many as Johnny.
You have 8.
Yeah. Because we got the same
I just
gun.
been playing it less than you, Lucas.
LOL. I'm the best.
Oh my god. I have 238 credits.
Why don't you buy a gun?
Yeah.
Oh, saving it for an RPG.
An
Well, you
RPG.
can only get that by a donate. I'm pretty sure.
Well, that sucks. No, I can't donate.
God.
See, capture the flag is next. I'll be back in the next
Yes,
round.